Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kumar Gupta and intern in data science batch March 2022. I have many tasks to complete and I solved task 1 which have to find the predict a score according to study hours of student, and I have to machine learning model building and predict the value of if a student studies around 9.2 hour per day, and then we have to find the predict value according to this given data set. And so firstly imported some essential libraries such as import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt for data visualization, and import cborn as sns also for data visualization, and then load the data set for training and testing. And load the data frame, we have the data in the form of csv form. So load the data, and then we have two variable, hours and scores. So and then visualize the data in the form of shape, head and tail, and got the information of all, and got the information of the data in the form of data type float. In just a case of hours followed 64, and scores have no any null value, it is a and it also have integer 64. So and df to describe function is used for the statistical criteria, that means hours and scores has count a minimum, mean, standard deviation, minimum 20, that means all these statistical characteristic here. So df dot is null function used for the null value is present or not in this given data set. So here no any null value is present in R section or in also as well as in score section. So for better visualization of this data set, I have plotted a scatter plot, and that's given me this the relationship for hours and score sections. So and then split the data set into training and testing. We have just 80% data for training and 20% data set for testing, and and then used a simple linear regression model for machine learning model building, and fit the data set in the form of linear regression and find the coefficient and intercept. And here m is coefficient and c is intercept, and got the result if the student studies around 9.25 hour per day. 90 if a student 9.25 hour per day, a student studies 9.25 hour per day, then he will get the marks around 92.48 percentage. So and then for better accuracy, I also used reach and lasso function, reach and lasso. So here if I used reach and lasso, I got just slight difference, 93% and 93% also. So here is also a scatter plot, and then find the coefficient intercept, and then predict value if the student studies around 9.25 hour per day, and he will get marks around 91.17%. So lastly, this is the quite good result, and so that I this is my model building of machine algorithm and root mean square, and also I found root mean square and mean square error, and this is quite good result. And so lastly we have just all this conclusion, and thank you so much.